What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2025 Hyundai Palisade. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right-hand side, this item right here is going to be the dampening latch. What I'm going to do is get my finger around it like this and pop it off. Then just push it up a little bit out of the way like that. Once we have the dampening latch removed, there's two stops that we need to take out. You can see one right here, this black round piece. And there's another one just like it on this side. In order to get these stops out, you'll rotate them counterclockwise or to the left about a quarter turn. And then they pull out like that. Come over here and do the same thing. And on the second one, what I'm going to do is kind of pick up on the glove box a little bit with my hand like this. Because after I get that second one out, the glove box is going to come down like that. And then taking a look behind here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's this clip on the side like this that pinches. So you just pinch that together. And then that door will pull off like that. And now we see our actual filter right here. And this one doesn't need to be replaced yet. There's only about a few thousand miles on this vehicle. But when you put your new one in, you'll slide it in like this. And the thing you want to pay attention to is your airflow. You want your airflow pointing down towards the floor, like this one. Airflow arrow pointing down. Slide the new filter in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So taking a look at this access door, there's this pinch clip on the right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, there's just kind of that tab, and that's what I'm going to start in first. You can see there's a notch that tab fits in like that. Then the door will snap back on. Then what I'm going to do is pick up on this glove box and grab one of these stops and twist it in. Quarter turn to the right or clockwise to put it in. After we get those two stops in there, then we need to come back here and reconnect our dampening latch. That'll just push on there like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.